Starting at guard number 8, Aaron Estacio. Also at guard number 44, Jerome Garcia. Also at guard number 22, Anton Eusebio. At forward number 10, RJ Minerva. Also at forward number 12, Marvin Janicio.
Olivares College in Parañaque to give you our Saturday triple header of your Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Juanito Gregorio at their service alongside Coach Mike Perez.
Very good find para dito sa Pasig.
Let's see how he can contribute later on. Tamayo gets the first floater of the ball game. Go to Lester. 1-1, Galicia versus Gonzalez. Likes the matchup. Feather, good.
Wow.
Too easy for Jacob Galicia.
Everything clicking right now for Pasig. You go to the low block, you get it to one of your best post players. Chance here, finally.
Bola ng Jensan. Gabo. Goes to Gonzalez. The dive by Eusebio is good.
No way he's gonna miss that. You have that space, you're within your range, you're open, definitely gotta take it.
Estacio goes under to Jacob Galicia. That one though is too easy for Pasig.
Difference has been a lot of the points of Pasig have really come, if not in transition, on the secondary break. Trying to exploit while the defense is not yet fully set up.
Gonzalez off the swing. Drop pass to Minerva is good.
Agree.
The Flores drives. Sees Mike Lambino showing through the middle, getting the foul and the basket.
But, he just hung in there.
This was the drive by Flores. Saw that there was someone flashing to the middle. It's Mike Lambino for the player of the game brought to you. We didn't get to see Mike versus Mike. Mike Phillips versus Mike Lambino, as we see another lay there for J.R. Flores. Could have been an opportunity for us to see two motor Mikes battle each other, pero wala si Mike in his last game.
Ang mas interesting ako doon, how does he accept the challenge? Ito si Michael Lambino, because you go up against motor Mike, that's a handful, but how are you gonna respond? Boy, this zone is really causing problems for Jensan, but finally I made 3.
Was the play earlier by Pido. There's no look pass going to Flores for the left for the fast break of the game brought to you by Balikang Bola para dito sa Jensan. An opportunity for them to take their first lead of the game. Ashawn drives, right hand, it's good. Here he is, 1-on-1 against Pido. Punta muna kay Mark Cruz, 10 on the shot clock, 33 on the game clock. Cruz, one dribble in. Mark Cruz, just a talented scorer, gets the 3.
But the hope is that makakuha ka pa ng iba pang paraan para pumunta sa kanila.
Swing pass, Acuna, corner. Finally, a make for Val Acuna.
These guys definitely the top 3-point shooters for the Jensan Warriors, and when they're free, you gotta give them that ball.
Sean, kinuha ni Adi. But that's still gonna be 2 points for Jensan Warriors. Want to change things here. Japs drives, Euro, floater is good, gets the bump, the basket, and the bonus.
That spray outside, understood that there was that closeout by Val, but more importantly, going to that.
Natin dito kung magkakaroon din ng comeback. Etong Pasig, Sean Andrews on the drive, Sean just too quick for any defender.
And again, you go back to that conversation we had with Coach Boying Didoy. Now he moves like he feels the backing of his coaches with that drive.
Batak answers with a triple on the other end. Eusebio says that slowing things down. Gabo decides otherwise. Straight line but long. 3 versus 2. Matakbo si Batak. No look pass. Galicia will be fouled from behind by Marvin Janicio.
That's gonna be his 3rd of Pasig.
Gotta credit Jacob Galicia for getting up early off the pass of Stream Boom 3 waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power. Jagar straight line and in off the wing.
Shot attempts have really resulted in him getting to the line. That low stagger right there set up really more for Jerome Garcia.
Andrews and Cruz return to the ball game alongside Larry Rodriguez on the defensive end. Lambino sucks in. Aaron Estacio off the back, smiles and finishes a 5-point swing. Some other parts of his game.
But he is not getting so many touches.
Nelo from downtown, in and out. Ball is stopped. Juan Estacio, ito na naman, takbo na naman ang Pasig. They go to Keith on the layup, will be fouled. Hit on the face by Josh Fontanilla.
Opportunity, they will quickly go to a run.
This was a pass going to Keith Pido, accidentally hit on the head. They go down low post.
Good
Cross
spread.
court. Cruz, another three
There you
is
go.
finally good for Mark Cruz.
They're gonna need that kind of play to work. If not on the fast break, then dribble penetration. That was that swing over to Mark Cruz, one of the best guys on a catch.
They like this, they go to Adi. Santos, the other Santos.
Nice
Drop pass to Adi. Santos connection works. Half. Pero puntahan ulit natin to. And Santos to Santos. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus. Ang pagtakbo ng Pasig pero meron pa rin sagot on the half-court setup. Itong tropang Pasig. Galicia, the first jumper is good.
At saka yung report na yun was on point. No? Katulad nga nasabi natin, halos pareho lang yung pagdating sa shot attempts ng free throw. Pero yung kakaiba ng paraan kaya sila nafa-foul. Offensive rebounding kadalasan para sa Gensan Warriors. Wala masyadong tumatahi. Kailangan atakihin yung paint.
Fontanilla, far out. Straight line in for Josh Fontanilla. Rodriguez, just a little too short, but they get the steal and a fast break for Adi Santos. Si Josh Fontanilla. Nelo Santos drives baseline.
There you
The
go.
beautiful Euro for Nelo Santos. Early screen with Antonio Sebio. Looking for someone to show. Acuna. Not even a lot of space for Val Acuna.
Naghahanap pa lang si Mark Cruz. Nakakasana yung kamay ni Balacuña. No? Halata na eh.
Sabi nga nila, shoot or shoot, 7 out of 31 para dito sa Gensan here in the ball game. Bautista, little step side, answers right back on the other end.
Shooter baka mo usapan. Sali ako dyan. Jeff Bautista yan.
So now 31 for Gensan, 3 out of 16 for passing, another turnover for Gensan. Andrews against Bautista. Bautista wins the matchup. Bo in the basketball. Corner. Acuña's made one.
Yeah.
Back-to-back triples for Val Acuña on the same side. Alam ko si Justin, shooter yan eh.
Oo naman. Tsaka ano yan? Nag-golf na ngayon.
Change career. Japs. Wow. Thank you for that, Daphne. Gabo. It's been quiet in the ball game, Coach Mike. Pero ito, I think may height requirement eh. Pasok naman siya doon.
Huwag na tayo pumunta sa usapan
Oo.
ganyan ha. Oo.
4-point swing in favor of Gensan.
Pareho lang tayo hindi papasa doon.
Kaya masaya na tayo dito.
Oo
On
naman.
the sidelines. Ito naman talaga ang ating passion. Pero mapapatagal pa dahil itong ang pangarap nitong si Aaron Estacio. Jagars looking to attack. Shooter on shooter. Switch by Adi Santos. Step back. No space. Blocked by Larry Rodriguez. Nabo, punta rito kay Val Acuña. Drive. Float. Still short sa pagkakataon. Finally a make. It's been a struggle for Val in the quarter. Aaron tries to attack early. Goes to Warlock. Swing pass. Turnover for Pasig. 4 versus 3. Hesed looking like Ray John Rondo. Won't be there. One-on-one. Larry on the drop step. Malakas. Battle for the loose ball. Warlock gets it. Pushes it. John Gabriel all alone for the lay. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Estacio challenged up by Minerva Garcia. Straight
Big.
line and in. Jagars gets the lead for Pasig. Gabo on the other end. Answers right back. We have a shootout in Olivares. 5 minutes and 45 remaining. Oh, ball is stopped from behind. Warlo Batak all alone. Warlo gets the 2. Foul, but this was the tap from behind by Warlo Batak. One dribble, fast break, ties the ball game. They switch it. 9 on the shot clock. Gabo on Estacio. Estacio, fader, trademark. Good for Aaron Estacio. 70-70. We're only on our first game of 3, but we are already on a good one. Marwin Junicio answers right back on the other end. Bola papalik dito sa Jensen. Junicio punta kay Gabo. Defended, but the guts of the veteran Hesed Gabo, 6 points here in the fourth. Gabo has been red hot in the quarter, 8 points in total. Gabo looking for a friend.
Nice
Swing
pass.
pass. Fontanilla dribbles in, floats, good for Josh Fontanilla. 2-possession ball game. Backdoor to Warlo. Batak is short.
It's a well set up play.
Almost a perfect execution. Just delay coming from Warlo. 5-point lead still in favor of Jensen.
They don't want to
Again.
switch this.
8 seconds remaining. Warlo blitz by Flores. There is a push, but there is no whistle. Jay Gars all alone for the lay. Cuts this lead down to 3. 1-on-1 against Warlo Batak. 10 on the shot clock. Ginamit si Adi. That blitz. Hesed Gabo goes out to Fontanilla. Drives one. It's again. The left hand is good.
This was that very difficult pass which led to that downhill left-hand finish. Creativity on that make. Gotta give it to Josh.
Nothing there. 10 seconds remaining. Goes to Pido. He drives. Goes inside.
Nice
Extra
pass.
pass inside. Jacob Galicia cuts the lead down to 1.
Find the least guy that's guarded. Found Keith Pido. Keith dumps it over, and then that secondary pass.
They throw it. Lambino. Jay Gars. Oh, cannot get the attempt, and that will end the ball game. Jensen escapes via a 1-point win.
Boy, Jagars